Hey YouTube, it's JR from FCP Euro, and here we have some of the best universal gifts for the European car enthusiast in your life. First off, we have this 69-piece CTA Tool Set. So this is actually a great starter set for anybody. So this is a great set to keep in your trunk, first addition to your toolbox or the start of a toolbox, and it has all the weird fasteners that European cars have, like the E whatevers and the T Torxes and all of the metric sockets that you need to get pretty much any job done. Next, we have a really handy addition to my toolbox, because actually I'm gonna pick these up for my car. These are wheel hangers. These are CTA as well, and these wheel hangers have a couple different thread pitches. They have M12 by 1.5 is what we have here. There's also M14 by 1.25 and M14 by 1.5. These thread right into your wheel hub, and when you're reattaching wheels to your car, these will help you line it up perfectly first try right on the hub. So here we have a great addition to any regular DIYer's toolbox. So all of these are swivel head E-Torxes. It goes from E4 to E24. Great addition again to any DIYer's toolbox. These will help do most jobs on European cars specifically, namely like BMW transmission bolts and also some wheels as well. And this is also another kit made by CTA Tools. So this one is actually perfect for anybody's car, whether you're a DIYer, whether you're a first-time driver, where in any situation this could be handy. We hope you don't ever have to use it, but I included it. It's actually an emergency hammer. So you can use this to knock out the window in a car in any emergency situation, and it has a razor blade on the bottom here, so you could cut off your seatbelt if you need to get out. And it has 3 little self-tappers here that you can use to attach anywhere in your car, in your trunk, wherever you feel you need it. And this is a super cool little tool that you hopefully will never need, but if the situation arises, it could be very helpful to have. And then finally, the perfect last minute gifts I'm wearing, and I also have on my keys here. So the merch line, all discounted for the holiday season. You got tons of different shirts. They're all about half off, and got key tags that just came in. And then 2 of the coolest things that I actually have on my backpack as well are these E36 M3 pins. These were all designed in-house and will be a great stocking stuffer for any gearhead in your life. Thank you guys for watching. This has been, again, the FCP Euro Holiday Gift Guide. All these gifts will be great for any DIYer, car enthusiast, or track nut in your life. If you like what you saw here today, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, concerns, or any feedback at all, drop them in the comment box below. Thank you.